Last week, you lost 10 hours to emails, spreadsheets, and repetitive tasks. That's a full day stolen from your life. What if AI handled all your research, meetings, and admin while you slept? Watch 3 real stories. Freelancer Sarah, business owner Jordan, creator Mia, reclaiming 10+ hours weekly with simple AI workflows you can copy. First one saves 15 hours right now. Today, stick around.
Because AI isn't magic. It's your new digital assistant that never sleeps. Think about last week. How many hours did you spend answering emails, juggling spreadsheets, or doing repetitive admin tasks instead of focusing on the work that actually matters? Research shows that professionals spend up to 40% of their time on tasks that don't move the needle. Creators and small business owners lose hours every week editing content, scheduling posts, or sending follow-ups. It's exhausting, and it often feels like no matter how much you do, there's always more waiting. You might find yourself thinking, I just want to finish one project without drowning in busy work. That frustration is real, and it's experienced by thousands of people across the US every day. But here's the twist. The real problem isn't that you're unproductive. It's that your time is trapped in the wrong kind of work. The good news? There's a way to reclaim that time, and it doesn't involve hiring or working harder. It starts with teaching AI to do your busy work for you. Your desk is stacked with emails, spreadsheets, and half-finished reports. Your fingers race across the keyboard, switching between tabs, trying to keep up while the clock keeps ticking. You lean back and rub your eyes, thinking, there has to be a better way. Now picture this. Your inbox clears itself, reports summarize automatically, and your schedule updates while you focus on what truly matters. Over the next few minutes, we're going to explore how AI tools are helping people reclaim 10+ hours a week, and how you can start doing the same today. Because once you see it in action, you'll wonder how you ever worked without it. Imagine a freelance designer buried under a mountain of client emails, research tabs, and proposal drafts. Every morning feels like a race against time, and by evening, they wonder where the day went. Tasks like researching client info, market trends, or content ideas used to take 3 to 4 hours per project, scrolling through endless pages, copying data, and summarizing notes. The frustration builds, and the pressure is real. Now, AI tools like Perplexity.ai, ChatGPT with web access, and Gemini Deep Research step in. Within minutes, all insights are summarized and organized. The freelancer thinks, I can't believe this saved me 3 hours already. Relief washes over them as they finally have time to focus on designing and pitching clients. According to US-based freelancers on Reddit, using Perplexity.ai for research drastically cuts the hours spent gathering information manually. It's like having a research assistant who never sleeps and never misses a detail. Drafting emails, proposals, or social media captions was another time sink. Normally, this would take 2 to 3 hours, but with Notion AI or Grammarly Go, the freelancer can generate drafts, adjust tone, and polish content almost instantly. This tool just wrote my whole proposal, and it's good, they think, feeling a wave of satisfaction. Reddit users have reported that AI tools like Perplexity Pro save them significant time during the research and ideation phase. Put simply, the tasks that once drained your creativity now take minutes, not hours. By combining research and writing tools, freelancers can reclaim 4 to 5 hours per week, focusing on high-value work instead of repetitive tasks. Reddit threads and Moveworks examples show similar results from US-based creators, reinforcing the credibility of these AI-assisted workflows. Moveworks highlights how generative AI doesn't just speed up work, it upgrades how you work, turning simple actions into smart systems. Jordan, a small business owner in Chicago, slumps over his desk surrounded by invoices, emails, and endless task lists. He glances at the clock and feels that familiar pang of frustration. Despite working from morning till evening, important deadlines keep slipping by. He mutters to himself, "There's got to be a better way to handle all this." Jordan's story is one every small business owner knows. Too much work, too little time. Until AI steps in. His first breakthrough comes with meetings and notes. Jordan used to spend hours taking notes during team calls and summarizing action points afterward. Now, with Otter.ai and Fireflies.ai, The same 60-minute meeting is condensed into a 2-minute summary that highlights exactly what needs to be done. He leans back, relief washing over him, thinking, I can't believe I just saved hours without even lifting a pen. Real-world results back this up. Omega Healthcare reports saving over 15,000 employee hours per month through similar AI-powered administrative automation. It's like having a personal secretary that remembers everything, never complains, and works instantly. Next, Jordan tackles the repetitive workflow chaos, updating spreadsheets, moving data between apps, and posting client updates. With tools like Zapier, Make, N8N, and Bardeen.ai, these tasks now happen automatically. He sets up a workflow connecting forms, spreadsheets, Slack, and email, and watches as hours of tedious work vanish. His screen updates itself, and for the first time he feels like his business is working for him, not the other way around. It's not just theory. Robin Group automated their processes and saved 6 million euros annually, cutting 78,000 manual workdays. Proof that AI can transform small business productivity. Finally, the finance and follow-up tasks that once caused constant anxiety are now seamless. Invoices are sent automatically, follow-up emails go out on schedule, and QuickBooks AI or Flow GPT keeps everything organized. Jordan no longer dreads chasing clients for overdue payments. He glances at his dashboard and thinks, all done. And I didn't even have to touch most of it. It's as if his business finally learned how to run itself. U.S. small business owners report saving 5 to 7 hours per month just by automating these routine finance tasks, verified through real user reports on Reddit and LinkedIn. By integrating AI into meetings, workflows, and finance, Jordan reclaims at least 10 hours per week, time he now invests into strategy, growth, and actually enjoying his work again. But while business owners like Jordan win back their time, creators face a different kind of pressure, staying consistent without burning out. Mia, a content creator in Los Angeles, sits at her desk surrounded by notes, video clips, and half-finished captions. The clock shows midnight, and exhaustion sets in. She thinks, how am I supposed to keep up with all of this every single week? Despite having endless creative ideas, the repetitive tasks of researching trends, writing scripts, editing videos, and posting content consume all her time. Creativity shouldn't feel like burnout. It should feel like flow. That's where AI steps in. First, research and content ideation become effortless. Instead of scrolling endlessly, Mia uses Perplexity.ai and ChatGPT with web access to gather inspiration, summarize articles, and create structured outlines in minutes. She leans back and whispers, "This used to take me all morning, and now it's done before breakfast." US-based creators on Reddit report saving up to 3 to 4 hours per week using similar AI-assisted research workflows. Next, writing scripts, captions, and social media posts is no longer a bottleneck. With Notion AI, ChatGPT, and Grammarly.go, her drafts are polished instantly. Watching proposals and posts generate automatically, she smiles, thinking, finally, I can focus on storytelling, not typing. Verified Reddit threads and MoveWorks examples confirm creators achieve 60 to 70% time reduction in drafting content using AI. Editing videos and post-production, once a nightly grind, now takes minutes. Tools like Runway ML and Descript automate cutting, captioning, and enhancing footage. Mia no longer spends late nights manually editing. Her workflow now feels like a relay race. She starts the idea, and AI carries it across the finish line. One US-based creator shared on Reddit that AI-assisted video editing reduced her work from 4 hours to under 1 hour per video. Finally, scheduling posts and tracking analytics is fully automated. Using Buffer, Hootsuite, or Zapier, Mia sets posts to go live, monitors engagement, and receives weekly performance summaries automatically. She laughs, I can plan my week without the chaos taking over my brain. Reddit and LinkedIn posts from US creators confirm that AI-driven social media automation can save 2 to 3 hours per week consistently. Even the case study of an e-commerce platform scaling content creation with AI, Shelley Palmer case study, validates that AI tools significantly reduce content production time while maintaining quality and brand consistency. By integrating AI across research, writing, editing, and scheduling, Mia reclaims 10+ hours per week, time she can finally spend on storytelling, creativity, and audience connection. She's no longer chasing content, she's creating with clarity and control. After seeing how AI transforms the work week for freelancers, small businesses, and creators, let's break down the real impact in hours. Imagine all the repetitive manual tasks we've covered: researching, writing, editing, scheduling, and managing workflows. Each one feels small on its own, but together, they quietly steal days from your month. For freelancers, tools like Perplexity.ai, ChatGPT, and Grammarly Go cut research and content creation time from 3 to 4 hours per project to under 30 minutes. Meetings and notes, streamlined with Otter.ai or Fireflies.ai, return another 1 to 2 hours per week, while workflow automation with Zapier or Bardeen.ai adds 2 to 3 hours saved per recurring task. Small businesses see similar gains. From automated meeting summaries to finance automation, owners reclaim hours previously lost to chasing invoices, updating spreadsheets, and sending repetitive emails. Tools like QuickBooks AI, FlowGPT, and UiPath Automation allow them to save anywhere from 5 to 7 hours per month on finance tasks alone, while workflow automations reclaim 2 to 3 hours per week per task. Creators like Mia see dramatic improvements in content production. AI-assisted tools such as Runway ML, Descript, Notion AI, and Buffer save 10+ hours per week, turning a week of late nights into time for strategy and creativity. So let's do the math. That's a full workday saved every single week. Over a year, that's an extra month of your life unlocked. When we sum it up across freelancers, small businesses, and creators, the message is clear. AI isn't magic. It's a practical assistant that gives you time back. Time you can spend creating, growing, or simply breathing. You don't need to be an AI expert to reclaim your time. Start with just one task this week. Automate it, see the difference, and build from there.
If this video helped you see what's possible, subscribe for more AI workflow breakdowns that actually save time, not just talk about it.